So I made a new questionable financial decision so that you don't have to. Now with the elephant into the room, let's talk about this Chicken McNugget special. I exchanged a perfectly functional bike with MOT for 2 years for this. Just like any normal person would, as soon as I saw the chicken poop, bag of parts and the lack of engine, I knew, it's mine. I quickly said my goodbyes to the old SR250, rented the van, packed the old girl in and went for a long ride. I then loaded the Nugget in and went back home. I found it in a chicken farm. This is a true genuine barn find. Now why do I have it? I have no clue. But for now, first of all, we need to get this bike up and running. So let me go and pick you up and we talk about what's going on here, because there's a lot of information to cover here, including chicken poop. Okay, so looking at this, you might think that there is pretty much all is gone. Call me a gypsy, but I think that you can still save quite a lot of this stuff. Some obvious things like this chain has seen better days. There's some weird shit happening here. I don't know what that's going on. Doesn't look very original. You can see that all is here. The CDI and the coil pack and the regulator rectifier is here. Now the biggest crazy thing is this. Like if we come here, you will see the small number there, just below 10,000 kilometers, which is crazy. There's some spaghetti going on there. I'm not sure what's happened here. Like it looks like it's spinning. I don't know if it means it's good or not, but the cam chain is off and everything is off, and man, this is a lot of work. This is a lot of work. The top end doesn't exist here. I have it in pieces somewhere. I don't have a clue. I don't understand anything that's going on here, but we will discover this later. The next thing we'll do together in general is probably clean it and remove the engine and just try to open it and see the damage that's done. So let's remove all these things and let's see. That rusty chain is absolutely done. The rubber O-rings are coming out. There's no way of saving that even on gypsy money. In comes the precision tool. Yeah, I think there was no saving this. Look at these pieces coming out. Since the KTM engine is gonna have to come out, I decided to make a little table to work on the engine. Let's get an engine on this. What have I done? Now I'm stuck with this piece of junk. Jesus Christ. Fuck. I guess it's obvious that I've never handled anything of this magnitude. Like the engines that I've seen they're basic. For me to backtrack where the damage is just gonna be insane. The worst thing is that I can see that everything's been opened, and you know how it is. You pick up something that somebody already has opened and just given up on it. Sure as fuck that it's not gonna be good. His pulse is weak. 10 mil. WD-40. It's not helping. It's not helping at all. We're losing him. Charging. Clear. I'm sorry, we lost him. There was nothing we could do. I don't know. But now it's pretty clear that no amount of WD-40 can save this. So what I've done is I found the replacement engine for this and ordered it. It's purely because I want to get this running as quickly as possible. Maybe I'll sell it, maybe I won't. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think that I should make a project out of this, and I will. I will cut it in parts, and I will make a cafe racer fighter whiter biter thing, whatever. For now, the next step is I'm gonna wait to receive the new engine, put the new engine in the bike, and see if I can pass the MOT and I have it for a daily for a while, because there is in store stuff for the blue bike that I want to do, and for that I need another daily because I'm dailying the blue Yamaha. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with this one? I think it's fixable. If I split it and I managed to get it working, this is going into something smaller. I think I might get this into a Yamaha SR250. So that would be pretty funny. Let me know if you want to see that. Other than that, guys, yet again, guys, I've made some questionable decisions for us to have fun. If you liked what you see, make sure that you click on that like button, subscribe button, and share button, and whatever button else you like. And I'll see you next time, guys. Shit. Stay tough, motherfuckers.